It's the 6th of July. I'm going to have a go at getting some more early potatoes out. These are Ulster Prince. I had to go last week, dug 3 roots, got up on it. I'll put a little bit of that clip in here. But, well, see more potatoes on volunteers. Here. But I'm going to have another go, see how many I get this time, but if it's like last week, there's not a lot on. So here goes then, route number 1. Just come across some.
Okay.
What do you want? I'll do it in a bit. So I stopped filming because we had showers. That's what we get, showers. If you have a look at the ground, you can see what difference they make. Absolutely no difference whatsoever.
And I was weeding the onions, and when I was pulling the weeds up, it was just dry underneath, so...
I never trust cameras out in the rain, even if it says they're waterproof.
So they were what came from?
First route.
That route that you dug?
Yeah. So these lot have just died down completely.
You're not expecting anything then?
No. The potato might be a bonus on this one.
2 potatoes.
2.
There's another one.
So that probably does what if...
It's not exactly one in, one out, is it?
So that was... There's 2 roots there, isn't there, in that punner?
Yeah, 2 roots there. Not what we'd expect. They're Ulster Prince, aren't they?
Yeah.
Which gave us a bumper harvest last year, didn't it?
Certainly did.
But you can see when Martin's turning the soil over just how dry it still is. Problem is, with so much else to water, we just couldn't have given potatoes water. And any we had given them wouldn't have made much difference, would it?
So, no.
Surprised it even digs.
Yeah, I'm surprised how they've come out, to be honest. Anyway, that's it. There's our spuds off. Actually better than last, I suppose, because I dug 3 to get about that amount last time, didn't I?
Yeah, so that's that, a couple of meals. So,
as you can see up there, it looks as though we might get some more showers, and the showers forecast overnight, but it just amounts to an odd millimetre or so of rain, and it's just
showers don't do anything.
Dried up now. We need a really good day's rain. That's what we need, or 2 days rain.
Tends to the showers come and then they dry up, don't they?
Well, they had. I mean, you can see they don't really wet anything other than maybe the top of the surface, do they? And they never get sort of where potatoes form
If you look at the
Some
leaves,
sort of
the
that.
leaves are dry, aren't they?
Yeah, you can see it's dry underneath there in the shadow of the leaves. So that's what we're struggling with. Anyway, that's our early potato harvest.
If you can call it that.
Looking at sort of this row, we've dug half of it and we've got 2 punnets of potatoes. That's ridiculous. Anyway, can't do anything about it.
They're the best lot over there, aren't they?
Yeah.
They're our potatoes that we saved from last year in a rubbish bed that had raspberries in for several years. It was
And I
really
thought,
rough.
just rather than have it looking rough and bare, I'll put these spuds in that we've got left. And they are without doubt the best looking tops we've got. We will see later on what's underneath.
Yeah.
Anyway, is that it?
Yeah, I'm going to pick some flowers now.
And I'm going to get some tiny little cauliflowers, aren't I?
Yeah. Baby cauliflowers.
Yeah. This is what most of our cauliflowers have done this year. At least we've managed to get something off them, even if it's only tiny little heads off each one. But again, I'm assuming it's just being too dry. We just can't give them enough water. So I'm just going to cut those and we'll freeze what bits we get off them. But not been a great year for cauliflowers this year. Just to finish off with then, today's harvest. Some dahlias.
Yeah, everything's diminutive. Short stems. That's the longest.
And we're getting another shower, so it's going to have to be quick.
Tiny cucumbers.
It begins with a C anyway.
Tiny cauliflowers. 3.
Potatoes you saw us dig earlier. Like I said,
Very short stems.
Sweet
peas.
a collection of courgettes.
Which we're getting before they get too big.
Yeah.
Something that is growing reasonably well.
So that's it. We're now packing up. We're fed up of working between showers that do absolutely nothing for the allotment but wet us.
Do you want to have a look down there?
Down where? Yeah, well, it's like here, isn't it? Look. So you can see in the shadow of plants, nothing, even though we've been in and out of the shed throughout the afternoon because we keep getting a shower like we are now. But as you can see, doesn't do
Nothing.
much.
Go and try.
Yeah. Anyway, we're heading home now, fed up of the rain. Well, no, I wish it would rain as opposed to these bits and pieces of showers. So anyway, thanks for watching. Bye for now.